What's up, one? I'll see you today here. I just have an unboxing video today. I got a pair of the Adidas Star Wars collaboration of the NMD R1 Spectoo, I don't know, SPCT 00. I'd seen it online and I was like, kind of interested me, so thought I'd try them out. They look quite nice. They're UK size 9. Collaboration, Adidas Star Wars. Adidas, nice box, different. Adidas, and then on the bottom. So, all my kind of action. Quite nice. Color, I'd say is kind of a cream, custard cream. I don't know. I got these True Stock X, so they have like a little tag on them as well. They look actually quite nice. I haven't had a pair of these NMDs in a long time. The logo inside of the sole, have like the character himself. Kind of see there, pretty cool. Solid shoe, quite nice. Nice design, different, but I do quite like it. I guess decent sole. Tags. Second shoe, exact same. No difference. Except in the insole of the second shoe, just a Star Wars rather than showing a picture of the actual character. And I think that is the only difference. So yeah, that's just a quick unboxing video of the Adidas Star Wars NMD collaboration. Quick and short, nice and easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want for more videos to come of other stuff in the future. Thanks. Bye.